We're looking at how we can change the function of a Plus series controller, in this case a P6100 controller. The controllers in the Plus series range have plug-in option boards, and in this example we have a controller that's fitted with a relay output board in output 1, and we want to change it. We want to change the output from relay to a linear output, for example 0 to 10 volts or 4 to 20 milliamps. What you do is just remove the controller from the housing, just get hold of it on either side and gently pull it out, and it will come out. Remove the card. This is the relay card. Remove the card. We're replacing the relay board with a linear output board, and in output 1 this is part number P01C21. So we take the board. This is the linear output board, and just plug it in. Reassemble the controller. And that's it. We've changed the hardware in the controller so that the output, instead of being relay, is now a linear output.